Welcome to audiospare.com. We've designed our checkout process to be as smooth and straightforward as possible, so you can get your favorite earbuds quickly and easily. You can choose the earbuds you need from different categories. Once you have selected the AirPods earbuds, click Checkout to enter the payment process. Now, let's get to the checkout page. First, we'll fill in your billing details. This includes your name, address, phone number, and email. At the bottom of the billing details, you can choose to create an account. Next, we have your shipping details. If your earbuds are going to the same place, leave this box unchecked for ultimate convenience. We offer a wide range of secure payment methods to suit your needs. PayPal, credit or debit cards, Affirm, Alipay, WeChat Pay. Here in your cart, you can easily manage your order. Need to remove an item? Click the Remove option. Want more of something? Simply adjust the quantity. You can see your updated order total right here. Need to make a final adjustment? You can always click back to checkout to change your address. Finally, you can also find the PayPal option in your shopping cart for payment.